In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove late payments. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Step 1. Set up automatic payments. Ensure your credit card or account is set for automatic payments directly from your bank account. This minimizes the risk of missed payments and helps you stay on track. Step 2. Use technology for reminders. Leverage your smartphone calendar to set up reminders for both statement closing and due dates. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of overlooking payments. Step 3. Understand types of late payments. Recognize the various types of late payments, including 30, 60, 90, 120 days, and charge-offs. Each type has a distinct impact on your credit score. Step 4. Dispute directly with credit bureaus. Initiate the removal process by disputing inaccuracies directly with the credit bureaus. Craft unique dispute letters for each round, adhering to the rules set by Regulation F. Your letter should look something like this. You can change the words, but make sure it's readable or they're just going to deem it frivolous and they will just throw it out. Don't forget to put your name and your address and other information on the letter and send it out. Change the verbiage each time you send a dispute letter. Make them readable. Step 5. CEO email contact search. Explore ceoemail.com to find contact information for the CEO of the company reporting the late payment. Focus on US and Canadian companies and avoid clicking on ads to access the CEO's email. Step 6. Compose a personalized email. Compose a sincere email to the CEO explaining your financial hardship, emphasizing your long-standing client relationship, and politely requesting assistance in reversing or updating the late payment. Step 7. Patience and persistence. Be patient throughout the process, recognizing that there's no guaranteed fix. If necessary, send follow-up emails but avoid duplicative disputes as per Regulation F. Step 8. Monitor credit score over time. Understand that the impact of late payments diminishes over time. It takes approximately 6 years for them to stop affecting your credit score and 7 years for them to disappear from your credit report. And that is how to remove late payments. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.